In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export IC Markets trade history. Whether you're using MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or CTrader, I'll walk you through the simplest ways to get a clean statement you can save, share, or analyze. Let's start with the most common setup, MetaTrader on desktop. Open your trading platform, either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. At the bottom of the platform, look for the terminal panel and click the Account History tab. This is where all of your closed trades and balance operations live. Before saving anything, it's a good idea to choose the time period you want to export. Right-click inside the Account History area and select the period, and if you need everything, choose All History. Once your list shows the range you want, right-click again and pick Save as Report for a standard HTML file, or Save as Detailed Report if you prefer extra metrics. Choose where to save the file on your computer, and you're done. The report opens in any web browser and includes a summary, a balance curve, and a table of trades. If you want to work with the data in Excel, open the HTML file, copy the table, and paste it into a spreadsheet. That keeps the columns intact without needing a converter. If you prefer not to open the platform, you can use the IC Markets client area. Log into your account, then navigate to Accounts and open the Trades or History section. Here you can view your past activity directly in the browser. Depending on your account type and what's currently available, you may see an option to download a statement or export your history. Use that download button if it's present, and you'll get a file you can store or share. This method is handy when you're away from your desktop platform or just need a quick statement. For those trading on CTrader, exporting is just as straightforward. Open CTrader and go to the History section. Look for the Export or Statement option. Click it and choose your preferred format, such as CSV or Excel. CSV is great if you plan to sort, filter, or run calculations in spreadsheet software. Make sure the date range in your history matches what you want before exporting so you capture every trade you need. A quick recap of key tips. MetaTrader exports produce HTML reports. Copy and paste the table into Excel if you need a spreadsheet. Always confirm you've selected all history or the correct date range before saving. With these options, you'll have a clean, accurate record of your trades in minutes.